Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Volted PC. Today we have a PC build that will be used for VFX, 3D animation, game development and all this stuff. The major software that will be used, Unreal Engine for game development. So we have all these components that we have selected. So we'll go through each of the components one by one and discuss why all of these components that we have selected are good for the PC build and why are they required for VFX and animation purposes. Alright. So for the processor we are going with i9 14th generation, that is the 149900K. So this is a CPU with a lot of good cores and threads that will be required for multi-threaded performance, which is utilized by PCs for VFX and animation. Next is the graphic card, that is the 4080 Super. This is the 16GB variant. We have selected the gaming OC variant. This comes with 4 years warranty, which is very good from Gigabyte because specifically for components like graphic card which are very high in price ratio. So for example, if the build costs around 3 lakh rupees, 1.25 lakh rupees is the cost of the graphic card itself. Alright, so a major chunk of the budget goes to the graphic card. So the more warranty you get on these components, the better you get a return on investment. Alright, so that is why we went with the gaming OC. This is a really good graphic card with good cooling options, and it comes with 3 fans and the clock speeds will be on the screen as mentioned. For the RAM we are going with Acer Predator 32GB into 2, that is 64GB CL30 memory in 6000 MHz. Why we went with Acer and not other brands is because Acer is offering metal body RAM sticks, so the overall build quality of the RAM, the heatsink is very good, so the heat dissipation will be quite well on these RAMs. As commonly known, the warranty on the RAM is again lifetime, that is limited lifetime, basically 10 years warranty on this RAM. For the cooler we are going with our lovely Hydro Frost 360 ARGB black colored 360mm AIO. This offers 3 years warranty again. For the power supply we are going with 1200 watt offered from Silverstone. So basically this is a platinum rated power supply. We could have also opted for a 1000 watt power supply, but why we opted for a 1200 watt is because we'll have some headroom of 200 to 300 watts for the customer to add more storage, more fans, or basically add another graphic card in the future if he or she requires that. Another 4080 Super might be a bit difficult on 1200 watt, but it is not impossible. So 1200 watt will be able to accommodate 2 of these graphic cards in the future. And for the motherboard, at last we are going with MSI Z790 Tomahawk Max Wi-Fi DDR5. So MSI offers really good VRMs for your CPU, so your CPU can perform on optimum levels. It has got good storage as well and good USB port support as well. For the cabinet we are going with Volted Apex 550, the 270-degree panoramic view cabinet of choice by the customer. It has one Type-C, one USB 3.0 ports. The build quality is really well and offers really good ventilation for all of your components. So these are the components that we are using for our PC build. Now we will show you how we have built this PC and a short montage of this PC build. Thank you for watching. तो our वीडियो इज़ कंप्लीट. अब हम भैया से बात करेंगे उनको कैसा लगा वोल्टेड के साथ एक्सपीरियंस उनका.
बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे, यहाँ पर काफ़ी सही तरीके से काम करा गया, हमारे सामने काम कर गया, अच्छा लगा.
ठीक है, तो आपने पीसी जैसे बताया VFX और एनिमेशन के लिए लिया है, तो आपको जो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कंसल्टेशन से मिली आप उससे सेटिस्फाइड है? बिल्कुल.
हाँ बिल्कुल सेटिस्फाइड है, जो बल्कि और बेटर भी है कि आपने थोड़ा मुझे सजेस्ट करा चीज़ों पे, और वो मुझे लगा कि वो ज़्यादा सही था. बिल्कुल
ठीक है. थैंक यू भैया, थैंक यू फॉर चूजिंग अस. सो अगर आप लोगों को भी किसी को अपना पीसी चाहिए, डू फॉलो अस ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड ऑन यूट्यूब. सब्सक्राइब करो, शेयर करो और इस वीडियो को लाइक करो. थैंक यू.